I kid you not, these burgers had us scraping for the last fry. Mm-hmm. And the onion.
Mmm, delicious.
We're gonna chop these up into fries. This is the way I like to do it. First, you just take off a side to make sure it's nice and flat. Then we're gonna give it a chop this way. Make sure they're nice and thin too. And then you take these and you chop them into the size of fries you want. That's how you make the best fries, right there. We're gonna take these and get the starch off. We're gonna throw them in a nice cold plunge. Once the ice plunge is done, we gotta dry them off. For our binder, we're using extra virgin olive oil. We were thinking about beef tallow, but we're going in with this. Now we're gonna dry these with a towel. For our seasonings, we're going salt, big pinch. We're going chili powder, pepper, then we're going garlic powder, onion powder, and last but not least, some crushed red pepper. Then give that a mix. Throw them in your air fryer for probably 18 minutes. For our burger toppings, we're gonna go tomato and we're gonna go onion. Sandwich style on the tomatoes. For our onion, we're also gonna do them kind of a sandwich style. Change your game plan. Lexi wants them different. For our onions, we're gonna saute them in some olive oil and some butter. Good amount of that. Let that cook down. Best onions of your life. All right, next we're going 80-20 ground beef. It'll make some juicy ass patties. Chop that in half. God, that's good. Get those babies flat. You're gonna hit each one with a little S&P. And we're feeling a little generous. We're gonna hit a little bit of garlic powder. Both sides, all 4 burgers. That's on you now. To your hot cast iron, add some beef tallow, and then add your burger. 2 minutes each side. You're gonna scoop it up, flip it. And you wanna add your raw cheese. Oh. We like to be as healthy as we can, so we use sourdough as our bread. Ooh, that's so hot. All right, let's assemble the healthiest, but most fattest, delicious, juiciest burger. We're gonna start with some sourdough bread. Patty. That's almost as big as that. Hit it with some onion. Then we're gonna hit it with some lettuce. Then we're gonna hit it with a tomato. Then we're gonna hit it with some delicious fries. And then we're gonna hit it with one more burger. This thing's getting pretty fat now. A couple more fries. And then we got our homemade Lexi concoction of sauce. Top it with our sourdough bun. This is the biggest, fattest, juiciest, healthy burger. Cheers. That's good.
That's really good.
The only downside is it's so big.
It's pretty fucking good.
Out of 10?
10.